Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to open an EverBank account. First of all, open up the EverBank site in your web browser. Once you get into its site, click on the Personal option from the top menu bar. Now under its menu, you will find High Yield Accounts, CD Accounts, Diversified Investing, and Online Mobile Options. Then, get back to the homepage and click on Open an Account from the top right corner. After that, choose your account type, such as checking accounts. If you are not a part of EverBank or TIAA login, then choose the No option and continue. Now fill up the form and enter the opening deposit, then choose your account extras. Then, choose Card Design. Once you are done setting up your account and hit the continue button. Right after that, you have to enter your personal information such as first name, middle initial, last name, suffix, date of birth, tax ID, and citizenship. Then, you have to enter your contact information such as email and phone number. After your contact, enter your residential address, street number, and zip code. Then enter the security code. Lastly, select your employment information. After that, you have to complete review information and accept disclosures. Once you're done with all of these, hit the continue button on your EverBank account. It should be created successfully. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.